Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you one product in ClickBank that you can promote using Bing ads with this keyword. So this keyword is has good amount of traffic, search volume, and it's also cost effective because we won't be having to pay that much cost per click using this keyword. So I'm going to show it to you now. So the product name itself is thyroid. If you type here in affiliate marketplace, so just type thyroid and you will see this top thyroid product on ClickBank. And as you can see, it's selling. So there are at least 10 affiliates in the past 30 days who have successfully sold this product, but you can be one of them. So if we go to the sales page, so let's check the sales page. Okay, so sales page looks pretty good. We can get lots of information here to create a our landing page and photos itself. Okay, so what we have to do first is in this product we will be using the this one Microsoft advertising to or Bing ads to get our traffic. This will be our traffic source. So later I will show you the keyword that we will be using to get lots of traffic with this product. Okay, very important to create a landing page because we cannot just redirect the customer, the clients here, or potential clients here in this sales page. So our favorite tool, the pagepro.com, where you can create multiple landing pages for free, and it's very easy. So let's get started. So just sign in with your free account. Okay, now here, click on add new landing page. And then here, our product name is, as you can see here, the product name is Thyroid Factor. So you can put that here. Let's do it very quick. So that's why this is one of the benefit of using the pagepro.com. You won't be needing any host, provider, or domain name. You can just directly use this free landing page if you want to promote quickly, if you want to earn commission with affiliate marketing. Okay, so and if you want to do it easily without any hassle, you can come over to the pagepro.com. I'll be putting the link on the description below. Okay, so here, let's proceed, continue to offer. So you can put all here. So make sure you tick these two boxes. Yes, yes. Okay, now here we will be embedding our affiliate link. So come back here. So click this promote, click this create app link, and then copy our affiliate link. Okay, it's almost ready. So the top bar starting text will be our some small statement that we can put on the top of our landing page. So here we can copy that, paste it here. All right, very simple. And then the headlines, we can just copy everything from the landing page. I mean, from the sales page. You can do your own if you want to create more attractive headline, but to make it this demo faster, so we will be using their headlines. Okay, so the photos, very important. Scroll down and then use one of the photos of their actual product. So we can use this. So let's save this image. Right click and save. Okay, and then all right, what we do now is go back here, scroll up, click manage images. So don't worry, it will open in a new tab. Okay, so browse and then upload this image. Okay, once it's uploaded, just copy the file name here and then come back to the editor, paste it here. And in this area, should just get some five sentences, five points that will summarize the landing page. So scroll up. So usually landing pages will have, I mean, sales page from ClickBank will have this bullet points. So just copy them. Make sure you open a notepad so we can copy the without the formatting. So just copy this tree. I think this tree will be enough. Okay, now okay, and then copy that. Come back to the editor, paste that here. Make sure one line per row. I mean, one sentence per line, so it will generate bullet points correctly. And then click on Save Offer. Now, once it gets saved, it's almost done. We can view our landing page, but before that, make sure to have our color. So this one, the theme is purple. So I have here little plugin in Firefox where I can grab color easily. So just copy the hexa code and then go back to your editor, paste that here. Okay, so if you don't know the hexa code, so just choose any color from here and then save. Now we're ready to view the landing page. Let's see, it's almost done, looking good with our product here. Okay, it's almost ready to get advertised. So here, to make it a little bit to make a little bit attractive, so for example, you want to highlight this 30-second thyroid technique. Do that and click on HL. If you have selected the color here, so that will become the color of the highlighted text on the this one, the headline. Click that again, save. Let's save. Let's refresh the landing page. So as you can see here, if you can see, it's if you choose a little bit brighter color, you'll see the difference. But since it's highlighting some of the statement in our headline, so it's a little bit visible to the visitors, the type of offer you are giving them, right? So once they click this, they'll go to your app link on the sales page, and when they purchase their product, you get a commission of you get at least $50 per sale. Okay, now let's get on to the sales, to the traffic. Okay, so once you have set up your landing page, make sure you also set up the article headline here. In this example, in my examples here, so the article headlines will, article area will be looking like this. For example, let's take a look at this Java burn. You can have a small article at the bottom. So this is the bullet section and the article section here. So to make your landing page more justifiable, okay, I can easily do that as well here in the article. So same thing, grab an image from the sales page and then copy some article. Well, let's do it here. It won't be long. So for example, scroll down, they have so many articles here. So I will save this photo. So let's save this. Okay, and let's have this as our headline. Come back here, headline, same thing, heading one, and then the image. Okay, so okay, manage image, and then browse that photo again. So here is our second image, so just upload that. Now copy back to the editor. Okay, paste that here, and then some small article that again we can get from the from here. Just copy this, or you can write your own if you want. This is a demo, so we'll do it quickly. All right, make sure we paste it notepad first, so we remove the formatting. So we don't want those extra spaces. Delete them again. Okay, anyway, let's check. Okay, save this, refresh our landing page, and here you go. This is our article area. Okay, so this one we want to make it like on the below the picture. So here you do it one time. Okay, so scroll down, copy this one over here, split, and put that here. So it will put the line at the bottom of that split query, split string below the picture, below the image of our article. So if you refresh, see, it's looking great. Now here, if they click this, they will go to your app link. So this is now our beautiful landing page that's ready to get promoted. So come back here, go to all landing page. So scroll down, and this is our URL that we will be sending to the Bing ads. Okay, so here on Bing ads, what we need to do here is go to keyword planner. So this is the keyword that you will be using to get lots of traffic with this product: thyroid, lose weight. Okay, and then make sure it's United States selected here, get suggestion, and as you can see here, go to this tab, keyword suggestion, and select those keywords that are related to thyroid and weight loss. How to, it should be lose weight, but anyway, there is a search volume, so select that, diets for thyroid weight loss. Okay, thyroid weight loss fat. So it's very, because here the product itself is saying that this product is about treating thyroid issues, which will also affect losing weight. Okay, so if there are people who want to lose weight with some strategy by fixing their thyroid issue, they can come to this product and purchase and then try. Okay, so what we are trying to do here is become a middleman. So we offer this product, we find this product, and we get some keywords that people are looking for, and then we have set up our nice landing page. Now we are creating a campaign. Thyroid treatment, weight loss, it's very relevant. As you can see, thyroid diet plan, weight loss, so all these keywords. Okay, so make sure these keyword, best thyroid supplements, as you can see here, it's very related. And if I select those, this one here, so make sure you check one by one. I advise that if you see these thyroid pills, unselect that, because Microsoft ads won't accept those keywords with pills, okay, in the term. So just make sure no pills here. Okay, supplement is fine. Okay, and now here, to see if you will really get some traffic using these keywords, click this add selected to estimates. Now here for example, you want to bid 0.5, okay, and then 50. Your budget is $50 per day. So here, as you can see, 3 to 4 clicks, and then the impression. So if you want to increase, let's say 0.75, $50 per day. So it's it's not increasing. So what you have to do here is go back to that to the keyword selection. Let's go back here, keyword suggestion. Okay, scroll down. Make sure you are selecting good amount of keywords. Okay. Okay. So here, for example, as much as possible, select the thyroid info. Okay. Select those keywords, but make sure you review them. You review each keyword and uncheck those who are not related. Okay. And then add to estimate, add to selected estimate. As you can see, this is too much now. So what we have to do here is 0.20 and get estimate. So here you can get 300 to 500 clicks for that keyword. Okay. And imagine you can get at least one sale or two sales per 100 visitors. So we will just only spend, if you do the math, we will only spend $20 for 100 visitors, and you can, if you did really well on the campaign setup and your landing page, you can get at least one sale from out of those 100 visitors, and you will be taking 50.36 per sale. Okay, as long as you set up it correctly. Make sure just for the purpose of making this video, so I've selected those keywords, but make sure you select at least 100 keywords which are related. So as I showed you, there are a number of keywords here that you can select that's very relevant to the product. Okay, make sure you select them one by one. Okay, make sure you go to the next page. So there are a bunch of keywords here you can use related to thyroid lose weight. All right, select them all and then add it to your campaign. And make sure you use a landing page, a nice landing page, attractive like this, so that you can gather visitor. All right. So if you want to continue setting up the campaign, I have more videos, other videos about this on my channel, which I won't repeat it here because that's because I've done so many campaign setup related, very similar to this. You can check out my other videos. I'm also putting at the end of the screen, at the end of this video, link to those videos. But very important is you select a correct keywords, and here you set up a nice landing page related to that. Okay, and then here I want to indicate this keyword to free if you really want to check if there is a search volume for that particular keyword that you're selecting. For example, you type in key thyroid factor, that's the actual product that we have, and click on get keyword data. Thyroid factor, as you can see, it's there are also people who are searching this actual product itself, so you can put the product itself. Okay, thyroid factor, and here there are thyroid factor supplement, side effects. You can use those keywords because those are relevant. Okay, and here you can also get more ideas on the keyword which you can add to your campaign. Thyroid lose weight, as you can see, there are 5,400 people searching for this term itself, thyroid lose weight, so you can use that as your keyword and then find some more related keywords here. Okay, and then you can click this to get more keywords relevant to this term. Okay, keyword2free.com. I will be leaving all these free tools in the description below. So thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, bye.